Yeah, I think it's right. You let your back swing so you can come up this way. Oh, my fucking hand's showing. Yeah, so back up again. Oh, no.
Damn.
Reset. How you gonna do this, bro? I feel like that's a nice line, but it's gonna be a hard line to like keep. I feel like if you go down and then go up, you get a better chance. No, maneuver over here. Bring your front over here. Yeah, bring it. And then back up this way. So back, yeah. Back up that way. Yeah. Whoop. And then bring it back up now. Let's see. And then back up. Yeah. Do like that multi-point turn kind of bullshit. Yeah, you're getting it. Once the tire touches here, you can climb up. Turn it this way. Yeah. Yeah, there you go. Money. Woo! I feel like if you pitch it. Oh, okay. Yeah, back up. Try to climb this. Try to climb this way. Oh man.
Nice save. Fudge.
Woo! Nice. Woo! Scary. Damn dog, nice. Crawl up that.
Oh.
And then turn hard. Yeah, that's it. And he's through.
I got some trophies.
Little scragglers. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh, we're about to get wet. I don't know where you're going, but that's ocean.